Window replacement. Gretna LA delivers immediate comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value for homes throughout Gretna, Louisiana and nearby Jefferson Parish neighborhoods. Full window replacement with new replacement windows can transform older properties by improving insulation, reducing drafts, and updating the look of the exterior. Homeowners searching for residential window replacement. Gretna LA often want a solution that combines style, durability, and measurable energy savings. Choosing residential window contractors who understand local weather, humidity, and storm demands helps ensure the best results. From older cottages to modern builds, house window installation in Gretna LA can include custom window sizing, window frame replacement, and window upgrade services tailored to each home. Energy-efficient windows are a top choice for homeowners wanting lower utility bills and better indoor comfort year-round. Energy-efficient window replacement. Gretna LA options often include low-E windows, double-pane windows, triple-pane windows, and insulated window installation designed to help block heat transfer. In a warm Louisiana climate, vinyl replacement windows and replacement windows. Gretna LA can make a major difference in keeping cooled air inside where it belongs. Home window replacement. Gretna LA projects frequently include double-pane window replacement. Gretna LA for added insulation, while triple-pane windows. Gretna LA offer even more thermal performance. These upgrades support cleaner interiors, quieter rooms, and stronger overall efficiency. Broken window replacement and window glass replacement are essential when damage affects safety, security, or appearance. Homeowners looking for window replacement. Gretna LA services often need cracked, fogged, or completely shattered glass restored quickly and professionally. Whether the issue involves leaking seals or moisture between panes, window seal replacement can improve performance without delay. Drafty window installation. Gretna LA is often a smart first step when air infiltration is the issue, but in many cases full window replacement. Gretna LA provides a more lasting solution. Residential window contractors in Gretna, Louisiana can assess the condition of old glass, frames, and sashes to recommend the best installation or replacement path. Vinyl replacement windows. Gretna LA remain one of the most popular choices for durability, affordability, and low maintenance. Vinyl frames resist warping, peeling, and moisture damage, making them ideal for local weather conditions in Gretna LA. Homeowners looking for replacement windows. Gretna LA often choose vinyl because it pairs well with energy-efficient windows, low-E windows, and insulated window installation. New replacement windows in vinyl styles are available in many finishes and configurations, allowing easy customization for traditional and contemporary homes alike. Residential window replacement. Gretna LA projects frequently use vinyl replacement windows because they offer strong value, long service life, and attractive curb appeal. Double-hung windows are a versatile option for many home window replacement. Gretna LA projects because they provide easy ventilation and classic design. Sliding window replacement, casement window replacement, bay window replacement, and awning window replacement each serve different functional and aesthetic needs. Double-hung windows work well in bedrooms, living rooms, and upper floors, while casement windows offer excellent airflow and a tight seal. Sliding window replacement is often selected for wide openings and modern layouts, and bay window replacement can add architectural character and extra interior light. Awning window replacement is especially useful where ventilation is needed even during light rain, making it practical for Louisiana homes. Impact-resistant windows are a valuable upgrade for homeowners seeking stronger protection and peace of mind in storm-prone areas. In Gretna, Louisiana, impact-resistant windows, insulated window installation, and low-E windows can all support a more resilient home exterior. Residential window replacement services may recommend these products for improved safety, noise reduction, and weather performance. When paired with window frame replacement and proper house window installation, impact-resistant windows can enhance both security and efficiency. Homeowners comparing residential window contractors often appreciate options that balance durability, style, and energy savings. For many families, window upgrade services provide a dependable way to strengthen the home. Old window removal is a crucial part of any successful home window replacement Gretna LA project because proper demolition protects surrounding materials and prepares the opening for a clean fit. Professionals handling old window removal Gretna LA should inspect framing, flashing, and trim before installing new replacement windows. If measurements are unusual, custom window sizing Gretna LA ensures the finished product fits securely and performs as expected. Window frame replacement Gretna LA may also be needed when rot, damage, or structural wear is present. Residential window replacement Gretna LA done with precision helps prevent drafts, water intrusion, and future installations while improving overall appearance and functionality. House window installation Gretna Louisiana should be completed with careful attention to sealing, alignment, and long-term durability. Whether the project involves full window replacement, drafty window installation, or a targeted window glass replacement, proper installation ensures maximum performance. New replacement windows installed by experienced residential window contractors can improve comfort across kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, and living spaces. Window upgrade services in Gretna LA often include energy-efficient windows, window seal replacement, and insulated window installation for better year-round results. Homeowners who invest in residential window replacement often notice improved temperature control, reduced outside noise, and a noticeable boost in property value. Custom window sizing and specialty styles make it easier to match a home's original architecture while still upgrading performance. Bay window replacement, awning window replacement, casement window replacement, sliding window replacement, and double-hung windows can all be adapted to different openings with the right measurements. Replacement windows Gretna LA are not one-size-fits-all, and residential window contractors can help determine the best combination of style, function, and efficiency. For homes with non-standard frames or historic details, window frame replacement Gretna LA and custom window sizing Gretna LA are often essential. The result is a cleaner fit, better insulation, and a more polished finish for any house window installation. Window upgrade services Gretna LA help homeowners boost comfort, curb appeal, and value with new replacement windows tailored to local weather and style needs. From residential window replacement and home window replacement to house window installation Gretna Louisiana, the right team delivers replacement windows Gretna LA that fit modern performance goals. Energy-efficient window replacement Gretna LA options, including low-E windows Gretna LA, reduce heat transfer and improve year-round indoor comfort while supporting lower utility costs in Gretna LA. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for homeowners seeking vinyl replacement windows Gretna LA, double-pane window replacement Gretna LA, or triple-pane windows Gretna LA for maximum insulation. Insulated window installation Gretna LA can help reduce drafts, while window seal replacement and drafty window installation Gretna LA address air leakage and moisture issues. For improved durability and storm protection, impact-resistant windows Gretna LA and low-E windows Gretna LA offer strong performance for residential window replacement Gretna LA projects across the area. Custom fitting matters for every home, which is why custom window sizing Gretna LA and window frame replacement Gretna LA are essential for proper installation and long-term results. Old window removal Gretna LA, full window replacement Gretna LA, and house window installation Gretna LA services help eliminate warped frames, rotted materials, and inefficient glass. Whether the project calls for broken window replacement Gretna LA, window glass replacement Gretna LA, or a complete window upgrade services Gretna LA package, experienced residential window contractors can deliver precise results. Popular styles like casement window replacement Gretna LA, double-hung windows Gretna LA, sliding window replacement Gretna LA, bay window replacement Gretna LA, and awning window replacement Gretna LA allow homeowners to match architecture with function. New replacement windows can improve ventilation, natural light, and overall design while supporting energy-efficient windows and insulated window installation. For homeowners comparing house window installation Gretna Louisiana options, Vinyl replacement windows Gretna LA and triple pane windows Gretna LA remain top choices for performance and value. When choosing window replacement Gretna LA, residents often look for residential window contractors who can manage every detail from broken window replacement Gretna LA to full window replacement Gretna LA. Services like window frame replacement Gretna LA, window glass replacement Gretna LA, and old window removal Gretna LA ensure a smooth process from start to finish. With replacement windows Gretna LA, energy-efficient windows, and impact-resistant windows Gretna LA, homeowners can improve comfort, security, and long-term savings with trusted window replacement Gretna LA solutions.